Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Bombay Aloo. Very famous dish when we used to have our restaurant back in the 90s. Really popular. A lot of people would request this. It is another gem of a dish. So before we move on to the recipe, do stick around for the question of the day, which will appear at the end of this video. So now let's move on to the recipe. Okay, you saw how to make this Bombay Aloo. The way my family makes this, it's wonderful, it's delicious. Now, let's move on to the question of the day. So I wanted to ask each and every one of you, what is your favorite drink? Please let us know, because if we see a recurring theme, we may actually make that drink for you guys. So with that said, do like this video. The like button, the thumbs up, which is beneath this video, do like this video. Hit the red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, which is besides the subscribe button, so that you are notified of our daily releases. We have over 200 videos on our channel. So if you haven't checked those out, do have a binge watch. I will really appreciate that. My family will really appreciate that. And with that said, catch you in the next one.